Hello everyone, I'm back. It's been a while since I've done a YouTube video. It's just that I'm being lazy. I'm so sorry, but I'm being lazy because of all the editing, because I'm just more comfortable posting it on my Instagram stories. But today I decided to make another video. So this time it's not about clothes, but it's about beauty. So it's skincare. So I'm just going to do an unboxing of my next beauty box. So I just got it today. I picked it up from my local Next boutique. So let's open it. So in the box, when you open it, you're gonna receive this leaflet or pamphlet, or how, I don't know what you call it, but leaflet of all the products that's inside the box, as you can see. So this box, it's an amazing value because it's worth over 240 pounds, but I only got it for 40 pounds. So can you imagine 200-pound savings? So it's amazing, isn't it? And what really made me buy this box is the facial massager from Sarah Chapman. So I've been wanting that for a long time, but I just couldn't justify buying it because it's 30 pounds on its own. So it's just like paying for one item but with the free other stuff. So anyway, let's continue. So first product. So all in all, there is 9 products inside the 40-pound beauty box. Amazing, right? So the first product is, here it is, my Sarah Chapman London Skin Assist Facial Lift. So I've been wanting this for the longest time, since probably it came out. And yeah, this is 30 pounds to buy on its own. So this one, it will contour, sculpt, and define your face. So it's like a massager. I don't want to open it or use it, try it now because I have makeup on, so I don't want to ruin or damage that. And then, so there's like 7 full-size products. Amazing. So next one is the Neon Real Luxury Scented Candle in Lavender, Jasmine, and Brazilian Rosewood. So that's the Neon. So this is the travel size. So I'm not sure how much this is. I think this will be so I'm gonna put a description of all the items and how much they are, their prices. So this is the Neon. Isn't it cute? I've never had a Neon candle before, but this is a very relaxing one. Like, it's like, smells like you're in a spa. So this is 100% natural fragrances, no harsh chemicals, no artificial colors, 100% naturally derived wax. So scent to distress. So this is the Neon scented candle, Real Luxury Scented Candle. So this is the travel size. And then we have the This Works 24-hour skin solutions deep sleep body cocoon. So this is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So this is a it has super active lavender oil. So this will help me have a good night's sleep. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. So it's very common, this pillow spray, but this one is a cream that you apply it to your skin after bathing, after shower, before going to bed, and this will help you relax and have a good night's sleep. So I'm excited to try that. So this is also a full size. So I'm not sure. I'll search how much this costs and I'll put it on the description. So this is 100 mils. So that's the full size of the product. And the next one is the Occitane Dry Skin Hand Cream. So this is a 20% shea butter concentrated in an unctuous hand cream to nourish and soften dry skin. So I believe this is 75 ml, so this is also full size. So I believe this is about like 25 pounds, I think, for this size. So amazing. so happy I need that, especially because of my work. I'm always hand washing. And then the next item is this GHD Good Hair Day Bodyguard. So this is a heat protectant spray. So 120 ml. This is also full size. And so you spray this to your hair all over before you blow dry or you style your hair to protect it from the heat of your hair styler, you know, your blow dryer or your iron or your curler or whatever. And the next one is this Delilah Lip Line Long Wear Retractable Pencil. So this is a full size as well. So this is a lip liner which you can also use to fill your, like a lipstick, to fill your lips. I love the color because it's the color is naked, so it's very wearable for all skin types, all skin tone. So it's a lovely pink, nude pink, or shall I say like an old rose pink. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see the color, but it's nude pink. So that's very wearable color. That's Delilah. I have a Delilah lip liner from one of my, I think from the latest in Beauty Box, so I actually quite like it. And then the next one is the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. So this is a refreshing facial toner for dehydrated dry skin. Ginseng, saponin, Sweet Betty Flower refreshes, soothes, and rehydrates. So this is a refreshing toner, effectively tones skin, rebalances its natural pH level, and preserves the natural oils without the use of alcohol or harsh detergents. Extracts of ginseng, sweet betty flower, and saponins from Kilaja wood help to revitalize and moisturize skin, leaving a radiant and hydration complexion. So I think this is, let me see what the ingredients are. Oh, it's not in the box. Maybe inside. It's probably a liquid. So let me show you first the product. So this is the one. So it's also full size, 200 ml product. So you can also use this as a spray, as I've read. I've read it somewhere earlier. You can use it with a cotton wool. You can wipe it gently over the face, and you can also use it as a refreshing spritz. Well, that's nice. So let's see what are the ingredients. I'm just curious because I've never used that before. Where's the English? Oh, there's no ingredient list. No ingredient list. Maybe in the, it might be in their website. So maybe I can search that on the website. Right, so moving forward, so that's the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. And there is also a sample size or a travel size or deluxe sample size of the Elemis Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. So this is an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle night cream. So this is a very good size for trial. So it's sealed though, so I haven't used any Elemis product. Oh, only their pad before, but I wasn't really keen on it, but hopefully this will work on me. And the last product is Lom Cleansing Oil Capsules. So this is also full size, and can you believe it, this alone is 55 pounds for 50 capsules. So I've tried some testers. I got some testers before of this Lom capsules, and I was impressed by it because it really removes makeup really well, and it doesn't dry your face, it doesn't strip your face. So this is a very good cleanser, but because it was too expensive, so I didn't buy the full size. So but yeah, I'm happy that I got it from this box. So I'm not gonna open it, but it's sealed. I'm not gonna open it yet. So yeah, that's all my products. So I'm quite happy, and I can't wait to try them, and can't wait to light this candle and use my facial massager. And what else? Use this one to help me sleep at night. And of course this also when I'm blow drying my hair. And that's it. That's the next beauty box, the Luxury Edit beauty box from Next. So it's 40 pounds and it's still available, and go and get it because it's a really good value. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon.